I've always suffered with dark circles. It doesn't matter how much sleep I get, how much water I drink, I just have really thin skin and the veins show through. However, I have found this little tube of magic to just perfectly prime my under eye before I apply my foundation and or concealer. So if you too suffer from dark circles, keep watching, because I think this for you too could be a little confidence boost in a tube. I'm going to go ahead and remove my under eye so you can see just how much help I need, but also you'll be able to see how incredible this is. So you can see, quite shocking. I really do need help when it comes to under eye circles. Whew. Not something I like doing on camera, but I think it's important that you see that, look, I do need serious help when it comes to under eye circles. Okay, here's what you do next. Grab your Colour by Mare Dual Action Concealer. And why this is so good is because it's used as a primer. So once you've applied your skincare, be that eye cream or face cream or both, you are then going to go ahead and apply this either underneath your foundation or underneath your existing concealer, or if you don't like to wear foundation or concealer, you can just wear this on its own. So it's a peachy shade, and this shade suits anyone from a porcelain skin tone to a medium skin tone. Now the reason it's peach is because it counterbalances the dark hues on the under eye. Now most of us have most of our darkness on the inner corner. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply this mostly on the inner corner. The great thing with this is that you can layer it so you can build up the coverage depending on how tired you may feel you look on any particular day. So I'm going to put a little bit onto the back of my hand, that's my palette, and then with my ring finger, because it has the lightest touch, I am going to just pat this starting on the inner corner of my eye. And the reason I'm patting and not wiping is because by patting the product, I'm encouraging the product to soak into my skin, and you'll find that if you have fine lines under your eyes, this will just soak into the lines so it doesn't crease. And this actually helps the look and texture of your skin underneath it. It has vitamin C, vitamin E, which all helps with collagen production, plus it has caffeine, which will help treat the dark circle. Now it sets itself, so you don't need any loose powder. And once again, you can wear this on its own, but if like me that you have quite severe dark circles, then you will apply this and then apply either your foundation over the top or your concealer over the top. But can you see already just how much of a brightening and lifting effect this is giving to not just my under eye circle, but to my whole face? It's just almost giving me 8 hours of sleep in a tiny little tube. I absolutely love it, and it really boosts my confidence. I'll take it a little bit down to the bone of my cheek, so my cheekbone, just to kind of really blend it out. And once I've done one layer, I'll take a look and think, oh, do I need any more? And for me, I'll probably just put a touch more on the inner corner here. So I'll just layer it up a little bit. And the more you tap it, the more it seamlessly blends. It doesn't crease, it doesn't go cakey, it just makes your under eye look beautifully fresh and hydrated. Okay, I'm quite happy with that now. So what I'm now going to do is just go over the top with my foundation. And the reason I'm going to do that is it just helps further give my under eye a little bit of extra coverage. Plus, if you find that the peachy tone of this concealer is a really brightening effect, but you want it to be more of a similar tone to your foundation that you own at home, then it's a really great way of keeping your makeup looking all beautifully the same and giving you that kind of airbrush look to your under eye. So again, I put my foundation on the back of my hand, and then same as what I did before, I'm just going to simply pat it over what I've just applied. I think I'm now ready to take on the day with extra bit of confidence, and I really hope you too enjoy using this, because this little tube, it might be little, but it really does not only give me a huge amount of confidence, it also lasts for absolutely ages, and I think you're really gonna love it too.